All right, check this out, y'all. It's real simple. All I did was put salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of this jerk seasoning on this spatchcocked chicken. Yeah, and it was incredible. Oh yeah, I took the skin and sliced a little slit in the skin up underneath it and put a little bit of the jerk seasoning between the skin and the meat. Yeah, so it came out marvelous, y'all. So stick with me with this cook. Check it out to the end. If y'all like what you see, like, share, and subscribe as usual. And if this is your first time here, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and check out some more of the videos on the channel. Thank y'all very much. Yep, spatchcock jerk chicken. It's going down in Uncle B's. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. Right here, we're about 2 hours in, and look at that color. Yes, sir. And you know that jerk seasoning is marinating into that meat up underneath that skin. You can see it. Yes, sir. Notice the wing tips. When you see that color right there, that's when you know your skin is crisping up on your chicken. That's what I'm looking for. As soon as that skin get crispy, yep, that's what you want. You want that crispy skin, then you can put it in. Yes, sir. Just want to kick in, let y'all know that little tip. And look at those hot links right there. Yep, beautiful. That's how a hot link's supposed to look. I ain't put no spray, no kind of spray or nothing. That's just letting the smoker do the work. Maintain your temperature and your air control. That's all that's needed. If you've been watching my videos, you always know I say you gotta kick it up a notch for the chicken. But that's what I do when I get the skin dried out, because I don't dry my skin. I think that's a waste of time. Pat drying your chicken and all that, brining it overnight and all that. I don't do none of that. And I still get crispy skin. I let the smoker dry the skin out and then I kick the heat up. That's the secret. Just a little FYI for all y'all that's watching the entire video. You gotta watch these whole videos, man. I drop these little gems in the videos y'all be missing. You don't watch the whole video. slow smoked jerk chicken. Check it out. Looking all juicy and lovely. Yep. If you stuck with me this far, I certainly do appreciate it. And yeah, we're gonna show y'all everything we served up with this jerk chicken. And it was a nice Sunday meal. Yes, sir. And pretty tasty too. Real simple. I suggest you try it at home yourself. And you won't be disappointed. Yes, sir. But don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe. And come back and see Uncle B. Because we're going to keep it coming all year long. Yes, sir. Thank y'all for watching. We got them sweet potatoes, or them yams, as some of y'all call them, cornbread muffins, and some collard greens mixed with mustard greens. Yes, sir. Going down. I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Yep. And if you like this chicken video, go check out my chicken playlist. I'm pretty sure there'll be some more chicken videos you'll like on that playlist. I got lemon pepper chicken, mesquite smoked chicken, pecan smoked chicken,